This video is for additional wiring only. Follow the V16 Basic Video Manual before continuing. The additional wiring for the V16 hot water includes a wire with the temperature probe already fitted and a purple cable to be connected to the heater. Fit a John Guest T-piece in line after the tank outlet and before the pump and heater. Then connect the heater to the controller using the purple cable. Fit the temperature probe by pushing it into the center of the T-piece. To monitor the temperature, turn the controller on and press the enter button. TPH will be displayed, followed by the value in degrees centigrade. The controller will display NC when the probe is not connected. To manually control if the heater is on or off while the pump is running, press and hold the down and enter buttons. HTR will be displayed. Use the up or down button to change between on and off, and press enter to set. The next setting is frost protection. This will turn the pump and heater on if the temperature of the water falls to the frost temperature. This setting will continue to work when the controller is on or off. Use the up or down button to change between on and off. If frost protection is enabled, press the enter button to set the frost temperature in degrees centigrade. FTP will be displayed. The value can be adjusted with the up and down buttons. Setting this value too high could cause the heater to turn on when it's not needed. Press enter again to adjust the speed of the pump recirculation when frost protection is working. FFL will be displayed. Adjust the value using the up and down buttons. This value should be set to the minimum possible, as faster flow can cause the battery to discharge more quickly. Press enter to set. If frost protection is enabled, it will be activated when a frost occurs. The controller display will flash between the temperature and FST. For all settings and controller messages, see Spring's auto calibration instructions and digital controller messages videos. For the full V16 range and more information, visit www.springltd.co.